In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly share files through chat, whether in a channel or a direct message. This can be incredibly useful when you need to quickly send a document, image, or any other type of file without the hassle of switching between different platforms or emails. So let's dive in and make sure you can share your files smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll want to open the channel or direct message where you plan to share your file. This step is critical because it sets the stage for where your file will end up. Whether you're working within a team chat or having a one-on-one conversation, ensuring you're in the correct space is crucial to avoid any confusion later on. Once you're in the chat window, the next step is to upload your file. You have a couple of options for doing this, making it flexible and convenient depending on your personal preference or even the device you're using. The most straightforward method is the classic drag and drop. Simply locate your file on your computer or device, click and hold onto it, then drag it over to the message field in your chat window. You'll see a visual cue that you're in the right spot, and then you just release the file to drop it into the chat. Alternatively, if you prefer a more guided approach, you can make use of the upload button. Look next to your message field for a small plus icon. By clicking this, you'll open up a menu that allows you to choose Upload File or directly select your file. This option can be particularly helpful if you have a lot of files and drag and drop becomes cumbersome, or if you're using a mobile device where drag and drop isn't as intuitive. Now, here's where you have an optional but valuable step. Before clicking Send, you can add a message or a comment about the file. This could be a brief introduction or context for the person or group receiving it, explaining what the file contains or why it's relevant. Adding a message can make your communication clearer and ensure that everyone is on the same page, preventing any misunderstandings. Finally, it's time to click that Send button. When you do, your file will appear in the chat as part of your message, ready for the recipients to view or download. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to share files seamlessly, enhancing your communication and productivity in any digital workspace. So, the next time you need to send a file, you'll know exactly what to do with ease.